Myself are Kavita, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, working at KIT, Kalignat Karunanidhi Institute of Technology. In this video lecturing, I am going to discuss about foundation model of Genai. The foundation models are the cornerstone of generative AI. The foundation models are advanced AI models trained on extensive datasets across various domains, typically using unsupervised or self-supervised learning techniques. This extensive training enables them to develop a comprehensive understanding of complex patterns in data ranging from natural language to visual content. The term foundation reflects their ability to serve as a base for building specialized models that can perform a wide range of tasks. If you consider in this figure, the first we are having the unlabeled data. This includes diverse types of raw, unstructured data collected from various resources, for example, text document, videos, audio, music files, web pages, and images. The second step here is pre-train. This is the pre-training phase where a large scale AI model is trained on massive volumes of this unlabeled data. The goal is to learn general knowledge, pattern, and representation across many domains like language, image, code, etc. Next one is the foundation model, which can handle wide range of input, is not at your task specific but very versatile, forms the core of models like GPT, DALI, and others. In foundation model, this is a general purpose pre-trained model that understands many types of content and structures. It acts as a base platform from which you can build specific AI applications by fine-tuning and prompting it. Next one is adapt. In this stage, the foundation model is adapted through fine-tuning, prompting, or few start learning to perform specific tasks. The tasks are text generation, example writing article, essays or story, text summarization, reducing a long article to concise summary. Fourth one is information extraction, pulling out names, dates and facts from the documents. Then image generation, creating images from text prompts like DALI, chatbot, building conversational AI agent like ChatGPT, question answering, providing direct answers from the body of knowledge or passage. Understanding the training phases of foundation model. Let's go to the first phase. Foundation model go through several detailed training steps to work their best. Each step is carefully planned to make the model better and more skilled so it can do a great job. Pre-training is like the first big lesson for an AI model. It is when the model goes to school for the first time and start learning from the huge amount of information. Imagine giving the AI model lots of book to read or showing it lots of pictures. During this time, the model is not focusing on any specific task. It's just trying to understand language or images in general. The model does this by looking for patterns such as which word often appear together or what objects usually look like in picture. It's a bit like learning the basics of how to read or recognize shapes before trying to understand a full story or identify specific items. In the training phase, the foundation models learn through two main methods: self-supervised learning and reinforcement learning with human feedback. They absorb information from huge collection of data. The algorithm of these models are designed to grasp not just the meaning of words, but also how they are used, how they are related to each other within the data they are trained on. Self-supervised learning is the way to teach AI model without having to give them lot of examples with the right answer. It's the kind of like giving someone a puzzle where some pieces are missing and they learn by figuring out where the missing pieces go. Step 2 is fine tuning. Fine tuning is a process in machine learning where you take a model that has already learned a lot from a big general data set and you teach it some more about a specific topic or task. It's like if you had a general doctor who then goes to a specialization in being a heart surgeon. The general knowledge is already there. You are just making it an expert in one particular area. Instruction for fine tuning. This involves fine tuning a pre-trained model on a data set of examples that are paired with specific instruction. The idea is to make the model more adept at following instruction and completing tasks as directed. For example, you might provide the model with a data set where the instructions summarize this article are paired with text article and their corresponding summaries. By training on this data, the model learns to associate the instruction with the action of summarizing text. Reinforcement learning from human feedback. This is more interactive method where the model is fine-tuned using feedback from humans. The process typically involves letting the model take actions like generating text, having humans evaluate the quality or appropriateness of those actions, and then using this evaluative feedback to guide the model's learning. This can align the model's behavior with human values or preferences, teaching it to produce more desirable outcomes. Prompt engineering. Prompts are like giving directions to a AI brain made of neural networks. They are a bit like a special way of teaching the AI without having to give it a bunch of examples with the right answer, which is what you usually do when you are fine tuning it. Instead, you use cleverly worded prompts or instruction to guide the AI to give you better answer. Thank you.